It's March 18th, 2026. I have this John Deere 8450. Going to give a quick little walk around video, then an operations video. I'll be going forward and backwards, steering, stuff like that. Anyway, oh golly, it's got pretty decent tires on it. Got a newer one here. It does have a leak from that cylinder there, guys. If you have this implement in the up position, this implement does not come with the machine. It is sold separately. This tire is coming apart in a way. The batteries are 10 of 24. It's showing to have 8,300 hours on it, guys, on the meter. I am not sure if that's accurate or verified, but it's showing 8,311 hours on it. The blower does work, guys. We are getting cool coming out of here. Now, I don't know if that means the AC is working, but oh, there he is, wiper blade. We are getting some coolness. Old radio still in here. So, there you go. There you have it. Without further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get you a quick little operations video of this machine. Let you see it work. And here you go, guys. We'll just go back and forth a few times and show the unit in action here. All right, guys. So as you can see, the transmission does work. It does go forward and reverse. I was not I was not able to get it to third and fourth gear, obviously, but first and second in reverse, first and second in reverse, and first and second in forward seem to work just fine. So if you got any other questions about this machine, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ Deals. Thank you very much.